320, please expedite your climb to flight level 190. Airbus 320, please expedite your climb to flight level 190. Airbus 320, contact pivot approach on 118.0.
Going to 118.0 Airbus 320. To approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 is climbing through 8,100 feet for flight level 190.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320, pivot approach, continue as planned. Altimeter 29.93. Airbus 320, please expedite your climb to flight level 190. Airbus 320, contact Belgrade Center on 120.425.
120.425 Airbus 320. Belgrade Center Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 is at 5,600 feet climbing flight level 190.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320, Belgrade Center, continue as planned. Altimeter 29.93. Descend and maintain 10,000 feet, GenX 637.
$2,500.
Airbus 320, please expedite your climb to flight level 190. GenX 637, you are 20,000 feet above your assigned altitude. Descend and maintain 10,000 feet. Airbus 320, contact pivot approach on 118.0. Descend and maintain 10,000 feet, GenX 637.
118.0 Airbus 320. To approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 is at 3,200 feet climbing flight level 190.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 to approach, continue as planned. Altimeter 29.902. Airbus tree 20, you are 19 miles southeast. Maintain present heading and altitude, expect vectors, visual runway tree to approach.
Maintain present heading and altitude, expect vectors, visual runway tree to approach Airbus tree 20.
Airbus tree 20, climb and maintain 14,000 feet.
Climb and maintain 14,000 feet Airbus tree 20.
Airbus tree 20, climb and maintain 4,000 feet.
Climb and maintain 4,000 feet Airbus tree 20.
Airbus tree 20, descend and maintain 2,200 feet.
Descend and maintain 2,200 feet Airbus tree 20.
$2,500.
Airbus tree 20 airport is at your 12 o'clock 10 miles. Descend and maintain 2,000 feet, report runway in sight.
Airbus tree 20, I have the runway in sight.
Airbus tree 20, you are 90 miles southeast of Tango India Victor Alpha Tango. Turn right heading tree 45, climb and maintain 2,000 feet. Contact Pivot Tower on 118.0.
Turn right heading tree 45, climb and maintain 2,000 feet. Tower on 118.0 Airbus tree 20. Pivot Tower Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 208 miles southeast inbound, visual runway tree 2 approach.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 Pivot Tower. Cleared visual runway tree 2 approach. Altimeter 29.902 windcom.
Cleared visual runway tree 2 approach Airbus tree 20.
Airbus tree 20 cleared to land runway tree 2. Windcom.
Cleared to land runway tree 2 Airbus tree 20.
500. Retard 5.
Airbus 320 exit runway when able.